Dear friend, everyone loves eating out, but with the rising prices at restaurants, we have all had to cut back. Wouldn't it be nice to save money by making your favorite restaurant dishes at home instead? Well, now you can with America's Restaurant Recipes. In this 2-volume cookbook, you'll discover the secret recipes for your family's favorite restaurant dishes. As seen on Fox News, Good Morning America, Home Shopping Network, ABC, NBC, People Magazine, and more. New York Times best-selling author Ron Douglas reveals the jealously guarded secret restaurant recipes that have been kept away from the public for years. With these easy-to-follow recipes, you are sure to wow your family and friends with meals that taste just like the Olive Garden, the Cheesecake Factory, Outback Steakhouse, P.F. Chang's, Red Lobster, KFC, and many more. Skip those long lines and enjoy these delicious dishes in your own kitchen. Now, for a limited time only, when you order America's Restaurant Recipes Volume 1, you'll get the Volume 2 cookbook for free. Act now to secure this buy one, get one special offer. Order now and spice up dinner time in your home.
Let's get started. Are you tired of the usual meal that you have on the dinner table? Do you wish you could make a gourmet dish without overstretching your budget? If you are looking for ways to enjoy a healthy and delicious meal, then you should be more creative and resourceful in making one yourself. Even if you are on a tight budget, you can still enjoy a truly satisfying meal. The secret lies in the careful selection of the ingredients that will create a delightful dish. Orange chicken is a traditional Chinese recipe, which many believe to have come from Hunan, a province in China. Because of the great taste of this dish, many restaurants in several parts of the world such as North America prepare this chicken recipe. Not only will you love the amazing taste of orange chicken, this dish is also highly nutritious because of the healthy ingredients used in this recipe. It includes the choicest cut of chicken, which is low in fat yet rich in protein. Moreover, the orange juice and rind in this recipe make it rich in vitamin C. These ingredients also contain antioxidants that fight off free radicals to prevent cell damage and to slow down aging. Hence, you can have so many health benefits as you sink your teeth in this appetizing dish. If you are on a shoestring budget, you should consider these practical tips in making this recipe. You can always modify the ingredients a bit so you do not have to spend so much to cook a great dish. Here are some tips in making a budget-friendly and delicious orange chicken recipe. 1. Use leftover chicken for the main ingredient. If you have some roasted or fried chicken from last night's meal, you can use this for this delightful recipe. Simply cut the chicken into strips or in bite-sized pieces and have the meat ready for marinating. This way, you can create a completely new recipe from the leftover food. Your family will surely appreciate the variety of dishes that you serve each day. 2. Substitute lime juice with orange juice. If you think orange costs more expensive than lime, you can choose the latter in this recipe. However, if you are using lime, you no longer need to include the rind. Just remove the seeds and just use the juice. 3. Add some finely chopped green onions as a garnishing. You can add a personal touch to any recipe by adding your own choice of ingredients that match the dish. For instance, you may include green onions to create a delightful new taste to the recipe. This herb is not expensive, which still makes it economical and practical to use in the dish. Moreover, the green onions will add some color to the solid orange look of the recipe. Simply consider these tips and suggestions in cooking this traditional Chinese dish. Just be resourceful and use a bit of your creativity to make the dish presentable, appetizing and nutritious. The secret recipes for your favorite restaurant dishes have now been revealed in this best-selling new cookbook. Download now in the description below.